Samsung Galaxy S24 series is less than a month away from its official release, but seems like we are going to see everything before the official launch, thanks to the tech insiders who are leaking almost everything. Even Samsung can't do anything about it. Just like that, we have another leak popped up on X, formerly known as Twitter, from a well-known source, Evan Blass. The leaker has shared what appears to be an early look at a countdown to the next Galaxy Unpacked event that says, Galaxy AI is coming on January 18th at 3 a.m. KST. That translates to 1 p.m. ET on January 17th, in line with a previously reported date for the launch. Blass also shared a leaked spec sheet for the three devices which confirms many of their previously rumored features, though the picture is not available due to copyright claim from Samsung, which pretty much clarify it that the leak is real. Moving ahead. The leak shows that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with the same display but with better specs. You already get a high-end display with the S23 Ultra, and the new one will have a brighter panel. It will reportedly have support for 2,600 nits of peak brightness, which is much higher than what we are getting right now on this year's model. It will feature a 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED 2X display. At the moment, there is no information on the refresh rate or response rate support. The S23 Ultra had support for a dynamic refresh rate of 120 Hz and a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz. But if rumors are to be believed, we may get a 144 Hz refresh rate in S24 Ultra. The leak also claims that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a titanium build similar to the one seen on the iPhone 15 Pro series. The spec sheet lists all three models being powered by Qualcomm's latest flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Although rumors suggest that outside the US, Canada, and China, the phones will be powered by Samsung's own Exynos 2400. We will likely get some upgrades in the camera department as well. The S24 Ultra looks to have a 200-megapixel main sensor, same as the S23 Ultra, while the S24 and S24 Plus top out at 50 megapixels. The S24 Ultra's telephoto lens will offer a zoom of up to 10x, while the other two models can go up to 3x. Other rumored camera specs include 10-megapixel telephoto sensors on the S24 and S24 Plus and a pair of telephoto lenses on the Ultra, one 50-megapixel with a 5x optical zoom, which can reportedly be cropped to offer 10x zoom, and one 10-megapixel with 3x optical zoom. All three phones are rumored to have 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 12-megapixel selfie cameras. Interestingly, Samsung is also rumored to offer some cool AI camera tricks as well for a better photography experience. One of the features could be an option to let you erase subjects from videos. This is something that so far no smartphone is able to offer, and if Samsung is able to do it successfully, then it will be huge. The device could also be equipped with AI-powered processing that is tipped to improve low-light performance, reduce grain from videos, and improve stability and exposure, amongst other things. In terms of batteries, according to the leaked spec sheet, the S24 has a 4,000 MHz capacity, the S24 Plus 4,900 MHz, and the Ultra model will have a 5,000 MHz battery. There's IP68 water and dust resistance across the range, and the spec sheet confirms that the S24 Ultra will use titanium in its construction versus aluminum in the S24 and S24 Plus. A complete look at what the phones look like in many colors and from all angles. Images posted by Arsène Lupin on X have you covered. The latest S24 Ultra now flaunts a sleek flat screen, departing from its predecessor's curved design. Embrace hues like black, gray, purple, and yellow, with potential additional choices in Samsung's exclusive store. Samsung's flagship hardware boasts incremental enhancements, while software advancements promise more intrigue. The teaser Galaxy AI is coming hints at substantial developments. Rumors suggest the integration of Gauss, Samsung's innovative AI model, into the Galaxy S24 series. This AI powerhouse is set to revolutionize tasks, from image manipulation to email composition and coding assistance. Additionally, real-time phone call translations are on Samsung's radar. These strides position Samsung to compete fiercely with Google's AI-centric Pixel lineup. What do you guys think of these leaked specs? Do you like it? Are you excited about the S24 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.